Dahil ba I don't know what is the locality of ombudsman, para kasi kino-question ni Ate Claire na ba't ang bilis naman. Sabi ko sa comment ko, kasi kayo mga babae minsan matagal ang gusto ninyo. Kami mga lalaki mabilisan kami. Lalaki yun matanda na yun Oh, anong gusto niya? Patagalin pa yung kaso? Pero matagal na inaantay yan na idulog sa ombudsman, kasi the ombudsman has the first authority, the first step to charge those. Ano ngayon? Na lumabas yung pinasasagot na sila ng 10 days para sagutin yung reklamo ni Manang Emisar. That is a brave step. It would be just hitting the hard rock ang ginawa ni Manang Amy dyan. Whether he wins or not during this election, remember that he also do his duty to the Duterte family and to the Philippines itself as a nation and as a country.
Yaman sir, at kasapay ko mati amin ng mga Ilocano, malawagan ko ang amin.
Okay. Thank you very much. Okay, may question po kayo.
Wala ko po na sabi niyo po na if the Filipino people will unite, ay mayroong mangyayari sa mga pinaglalaban nating mga Pilipino. Pero sir, nakita po natin nung nag-file sila ng impeachment, milyong tao itong nag-rally, INC, ba't ibang parte po ng Pilipinas. Pero wala pong nangyari. And then ito, pinadala si President Duterte sa daigs.
Halos
buong mundo.
Wala rin nangyari.
Wala rin nangyari. So ano po yung aasahan natin na sa isipan ng mga tao, even if we will going to unite, as one, act together, sabi nila, wala pa rin mangyayari. So ano pong dapat?
Yes. Napakaganda pong tanong nyo po yan. Iglesia ni Cristo, 5 million on the streets and Quirino Grandstand. Sila po ang mismong nag-admit. Wala pong nangyari. Tuloy ang ginagawa. Okay, admitted yan i-broadcast po, stated yan. Now, what is next? Duterte, halos buong Pilipinas nagpahayag ng pagkontra sa mga ginagawa ng ating administrasyon ngayon. Pangatlo, buong mundo. Ewan ko kung totoong Guinness World Record na he is the most celebrated citizen in the planet. Halos buong mundo nag-celebrate, pati mga Amerikano, pati mga ibang lahi. What is missing there? Why it cannot be pursued as a unity who can establish win-to-win over our country? Bakit? Mali po yung proseso. Ano po yung proseso? Ang Iglesia ni Cristo tumayo as Iglesia ni Cristo. Ang Duterte tumayo as Duterte. Even the whole world, as you have said. But if you stand by the law through the system of a people's initiative, wala pong makakabanggayan. Not even here. Nakita nyo naman, hindi tayo pinigilan. Declaration na yung dala natin, but they were not able to stop us. Because we use what is under the Constitution. Ano po yung under the Constitution? Ano po yung tama? That is why I advise all the leaders, kung mag-convene kayo ng grupo, magpirma kayo ng isang petition form na kahit hindi nyo deklara kung anong gusto nyong mangyari. The leaders can constitute themselves and find what is the reasonable petition that you're going to do. What is important is you organize, you get the signature of the people, and it is what we are doing. Kung meron kaming petition, may backup po yan. Yan po yung ginawa natin, may backup po yan na makapal yan, na signatures. And that is very, very powerful because you are entrusting the people's initiative to deliver the authority of the people, whatever it may serve, unless it is for the people. Tandaan po natin, hindi po kami, ito yung isang malaking utang din namin kay Pangulong Duterte. Noong nandiyan kami, gamit yung People's Initiative, anong sabi po niya? If there is, kasi tambak pong papeles namin sa opisina, mayroon pong personal letter ako sa kanya, may sulat din po siya sa akin. Anong sabi ni Pangulong Duterte? I cannot no longer arrange this or do something about this appeal. I will just forward it to the next administration. Okay, pero anong sabi niya? If there is a people's initiative to rise on my administration, on the time of my administration, provided it will not lead to sedition or revolution against the government, I cannot stop them. Kaya po tumibay po kami. Lalo po kaming tumibay at napahinto po namin yung pagbabakuna sa buong Pilipinas noong time namin po yan ng Pangulong Duterte.